everyone, how are you all? I hope everybody is fine and safe at home. So my dear students, today I am here to tell you about a topic, and the name of the topic is, let's see, body parts. Yes, today we are going to learn about body parts. So are you ready? Say yes ma'am loudly. Yes ma'am. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to show you one by one the picture of body parts and we are going to name the body parts. So are you ready? Say yes ma'am. Very nice. So let's start. So the first one is, can you guess, my dear children, what is this? Can you guess what is this? Let's see. This is our face. Yes, touch your face. This is our face. Very nice. Now let's move on. Can you guess what is this? Do you know what is this? Let's see what is this. This is our head. Touch your head and say, this is our head. Very nice. Now let's move on. Now, can you guess what is this? Can you guess? Think. Now let's know. So, this is our forehead. Touch your forehead. Everyone touch your forehead. This is our forehead. Very nice. Let's move on. Next is, can you guess what are these? Can you guess what are these? ये क्या है? So let's see. These are our eyes. Yes, ये क्या है? These are our eyes. And how many eyes do you have? Say, I have 2 eyes. I have 2 eyes. And what do you do with your eyes? आप अपने eyes से क्या करते हो? We see with our eyes. हम अपने आँखों से देखते हैं. So what you will say? We see with our eyes. Very nice. Now let's move on. The next is, can you guess what are these? What are these, my children? Can you guess? Think. Yes. So, these are our ears. Everyone touch your ears and say, these are our ears. Do you know how many ears do you have? Say, I have 2 ears. 1 and 2. So, I have 2 ears. And what do you do with your ears? आप अपने ears से क्या करते हैं? So you will say, I listen with our ears. I listen with my ears. जब कोई clapping का sound करता है या music का sound आता है तो आप किससे सुनते हो? आप अपने ears से सुनते हो. So we listen with our ears. Okay. Now let's move on. The next is, can you guess what is this? You know what is this? Come on, tell me. So, this is our nose. Everyone touch your nose. Touch your nose. This is your nose. And can you tell me, children, what do you do with your nose? Yes, very nice. We smell with our nose. जब मम्मा घर पे टेस्टी फूड बनाती है तो हमें क्या आता है? वो खाने की टेस्टी खाने की स्मेल आती है. तो हम किससे स्मेल करते हैं? We smell with our nose. And how many nose do you have, my dear children? We have 1 nose. Touch your nose. This is your nose. Very nice. Now next is, can you tell me what are they? What are they? What are they? सुबह आप मॉर्निंग में किसको ब्रश करते हो? When you wake up in the morning, आप कौन से बॉडी पार्ट्स को ब्रश करते हो? Yes, correct. So, this is our teeth. Everyone show me your teeth. Yes. So, this is our teeth. Yes, very nice. And you chew with your teeth. आप अपने फूड को किससे chew करते हो? आप अपने फूड को अपने teeth से chew करते हो. That's very nice. Okay, now let's move on. Now, can you tell me what is this? What is this? Come on, do like this. Yes. So, this is our tongue. This is our tongue. Show me your tongue. Yes, this is our tongue. And what do you do with your tongue? We taste with our tongue. हम अपने tongue से food को taste करते हैं. Yes, so you will say we taste with our tongue. And what is the color of your tongue? The color of your tongue is pink. Show me your tongue. See, it's of pink color. Very nice. Let's move on. Now, can you tell me what are these? These are our hands. Yes, these are our hands. These are our hands. And what do you do with your hands? We write with our hands. We eat with our hands. है ना? We write with our hands. We eat with our hands. And how many hands do you have? We have 2 hands. 1 hand and 2 hands. Yes, show me your hands, everyone. This is our hands. Yes, now let's move on. The next is, can you guess what is this? Can you guess? Guess. Yes, this is our neck. Everyone touch your neck and say, this is our neck. Yes. Now, next. Can you guess what are these? What are these? बताओ. What are these? जब टीचर को और मम्मा को जब आप पे बहुत प्यार आता है तो she just pull it. So इसे क्या बोलते हैं हम? Can you guess? Yes, these are our cheeks. These are our cheeks. Yes, touch your cheeks and say, these are our cheeks. Very nice. Now let's move on. Yes, can you guess what is this? What is this? क्या मुझे बता सकते हैं ये क्या है? Guess. Yes, this is our chin. Say, this is our chin. Say chin. This is our chin. Touch it and say, this is our chin. Very nice. Now let's move on. Can you guess what are these? What are these? What are these? बताओ ये क्या है? These are our shoulders. Yes, touch your shoulders and say, these are our shoulders. Very nice. Now let's move on, my dear children. Now, can you guess what are these? ये क्या है? Come on, tell me. These are our fingers. These are our fingers. Can you tell me how many fingers do you have? Let's count. Okay, so come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many fingers do you have? We have 10 fingers. Very nice. So these are our fingers. Now, can you tell me what is this? ये क्या है? जब हमें भूख लगती है तो हमारे पेट में आवाज आती है ना, तो क्या बोलते हैं उसे? This is our stomach. Yes, touch your stomach and say, this is our stomach. Very nice. Now let's move on. Yes. Now can you tell me what is this? Come on, tell me what is this? So, this is our leg. Yes, what do you do with your leg? You walk with your leg. और अब फुटबॉल भी खेलते हो ना, किससे किक करते हो बॉल को? अपने लेग से. Yes, so we walk with our leg. Very nice. Now let's move on. The next is, can you tell me what is this? Come on, touch it and say, what is this? Come on, tell, guess. So, this is our knee. Yes, this is our knee. touch your knee and say, this is our knee. Very nice. Now let's move on. Now can you tell me what is this? बताओ बताओ, guess करो क्या है ये? Yes, this is our foot. Very nice. This is our foot. ये क्या है? ये हमारा foot है. Very good, my dear children. You have done a very wonderful job. Now, my dear children, what we are going to do? We are going to do the revision of the body parts which we have studied now. So, are you ready? Say yes, ma'am. Come on. So, let's start. So, can you tell me what are these? What are these? These are our eyes. We see with our eyes. And how many eyes do you have? We have 2 eyes. Very nice. Now, can you tell me what is this? What is this? This is our nose. Touch your nose and say, this is our nose. And what do you do with your nose? We smell with our nose. And how many nose do you have? आपके पास कितने nose हैं? We have 1 nose. Very nice. Now, can you tell me what is this? ये क्या है? Touch it and say, this is our head. Yes, this is our head. Very nice. Now, can you tell me what is this? Touch it and say, this is our forehead. This is our forehead. Very nice. Now, can you tell me what are these? Touch it and say, these are our ears. And what do you do with your ears? We listen with our ears. And how many ears do you have? आपके पास कितने ears हैं? So you are going to say, I have 2 ears. Very nice. Now, can you tell me what are they? So, this is our teeth. Show me your teeth and say, this is our teeth. Yes, very nice. So, what do you do with your teeth? You chew your food with your teeth. Yes, very nice. Now, can you tell me what is this? Show me your tongue and say, this is our tongue. Yes, and what do you do with your tongue? We taste with our tongue. Very nice. We taste with our tongue. Good. Now, can you tell me what is this? I have told you what is this. So, this is our neck. Very nice. Touch it and say, this is our neck. Very good. Now, can you tell me what is this? This is our hands. And how many hands do you have? We have 2 hands. Very nice. And can you tell me what are these? These are our fingers. Very nice. And how many fingers do you have? We have 10 fingers. Yes, we have 10 fingers. Now, can you tell me what is this? This is our stomach. This is our stomach. Touch it and say, this is our stomach. Good. Now, can you tell me what is this? This is our leg. We walk with our leg. We run with our leg. Yes, so touch it and say, this is our legs. Very nice. Now, can you tell me what is this? This is our knee. Touch it and say, this is our knee. Very nice. See, this is our knee. Yes, very nice. See, and this is our legs. Very good. And can you tell me what is this? This is our foot. Very nice. Now clap for yourself because you have done a very wonderful work. So keep practicing your body parts. Okay. So bye bye children. Children, do you know what we are going to do now? We are going to practice some of the worksheets so that you are more clear with the body parts. So are you ready? Yes, say yes ma'am. So what you are going to need? You need a notebook and you need a pencil. You have to just write down what I am saying. Okay. So see my dear children, here I am having some worksheet of the body parts and here we have to write how many body parts we have. Okay. So I am going to read out the sentence and you have to write it down. So are you ready? Say yes ma'am. Very nice. So the first one is, see, what are these? I have already told you, these are our hands. Yes, so I have dash hands. Can you tell me how many hands do you have? I've already told you. Yes, you have 2 hands. 1, 2. So here you are going to write number 2. So write down number 2, everyone. Make 2. Very nice. Good. Now can you tell me what are these? Yes, we see with our eyes and we have 2 eyes. 1 and 2. So I have 2 eyes. So write down number 2. Very nice. Now let's move on. Can you tell me what are these? These are our ears. Touch your ears and say these are our ears. And how many ears do you have? We have 2 ears. 1 and 2. And what do you do with your ears? We listen with our ear. So what you have to write down here? Here I have 2 ears. Yes. Write down 2. That's very nice. Wonderful job. Now, can you tell me what is this? This is our mouth. Yes, this is our mouth. And how many mouth do you have? We have only 1 mouth. Yes, किसी के पास यहाँ 2 mouth है क्या? No, we have only 1 mouth. So write down here, I have 1 mouth. Very nice. Now let's move on. Can you tell me what is this? This is our nose. We smell with our nose. And count how many nose do you have? किसी के पास यहाँ 2 या 3 nose है क्या? No, we have only 1 nose. So you are going to write down, I have 1 nose. That's very nice. Now next is, can you tell me what is this? This is our legs. Yes, and what do you do with your legs? We walk with our legs, we run with our legs. So how many legs do you have? Let's count. 1 and 2. So I have 2 legs. Very nice. Now can you tell me what are these? I have already told you. These are your fingers. And how many fingers do you have? We have already counted it. Come on, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So how many fingers do you have? 10 fingers. So what you are going to write down here? I have 10 fingers. Very nice. Clap for yourself. You have done a wonderful job. Good. Keep it up and keep practicing.